How Mukesh Ambani became so rich and powerful. Mukesh Ambani, the chairman and largest shareholder of Reliance Industries Limited, RIL, has become one of the wealthiest individuals globally and a towering figure in the Indian business landscape. His journey to immense wealth and power is a tale of ambition, strategic vision, and relentless execution. Here's a detailed look at how Mukesh Ambani achieved his status. Number 7. Early life and education. Mukesh Ambani, the eldest son of Dhirubhai Ambani, was born on April 19, 1957, in Aden, Yemen, into a family that would shake the economic landscape of India. His father, Dhirubhai Ambani, was a pioneering industrialist who founded Reliance Industries, laying the foundation for one of India's largest conglomerates. Raised in Mumbai, Mukesh completed his early education in the bustling city before delving into the realm of chemical engineering at the Institute of Chemical Technology, formerly UDCT, a renowned institution in Mumbai. However, his pursuit of knowledge didn't halt there. Driven by a thirst for excellence and a desire to broaden his horizons, Mukesh ventured to Stanford University, where he pursued an MBA, seeking to glean insights from one of the world's premier educational institutions. Despite his affluent background, anecdotes abound of Mukesh living a modest lifestyle during his time at Stanford, epitomized by his choice to drive an old car and meticulously cut coupons to economize. This period of frugality not only reflects his disciplined approach to finances, but also underscores his humility and grounded nature, qualities that would later become hallmarks of his leadership style. Mukesh Ambani's journey from a humble upbringing to becoming one of the wealthiest and most influential figures in global business is a testament to his unwavering determination, astute vision, and relentless pursuit of excellence. Number 6. Inheritance and rise within Reliance. Mukesh Ambani, to wealth and influence, can be traced back to his early involvement in the family business. Upon completing his education, he joined Reliance Industries Limited, RIL, in 1981, marking the beginning of a transformative journey within the conglomerate. His father, Dhirubhai Ambani, a visionary entrepreneur, quickly recognized Mukesh's potential and entrusted him with escalating responsibilities within the company. Under Dhirubhai's guidance and Mukesh's leadership, Reliance embarked on a trajectory of unprecedented growth and diversification. Mukesh played a pivotal role in steering the company into various sectors, strategically expanding its footprint and solidifying its position as a powerhouse in the Indian economy. Reliance's diversification under Mukesh's stewardship encompassed key industries such as petrochemicals, refining, oil and gas exploration, telecommunications, and retail. This strategic diversification not only bolstered Reliance's presence in multiple sectors, but also enabled the conglomerate to capitalize on emerging opportunities and navigate dynamic market landscapes. Mukesh Ambani's astute leadership and vision for growth played a crucial role in shaping Reliance Industries into a multifaceted powerhouse. With a robust portfolio spanning across critical sectors of the economy, his ability to identify and capitalize on lucrative opportunities, coupled with his relentless drive for innovation and excellence, propelled Reliance Industries to new heights of success, firmly establishing Mukesh Ambani as a formidable force in the global business arena. Through strategic vision, meticulous planning, and decisive action, Mukesh Ambani's journey within the family business has been marked by a legacy of transformative growth and unparalleled success. Number 5. Petrochemicals and refining. Mukesh Ambani's strategic vision and leadership were instrumental in driving Reliance Industries' expansion into the petrochemicals and refining sectors, positioning the company as a dominant player on the global stage. Under his guidance, Reliance embarked on ambitious projects, with a particular focus on refining operations. A crowning achievement of Mukesh Ambani's tenure was the establishment of the Jamnagar refinery in Gujarat, India. This refinery, commissioned in 1999, stands as one of the world's largest and most complex refining facilities. Ambani's vision for the Jamnagar refinery was transformative, aiming not only to increase Reliance's refining capacity, but also to elevate India's status as a major player in the global energy landscape. The Jamnagar refinery's strategic location on the west coast of India provides logistical advantages, facilitating the efficient import of crude oil and export of refined products to global markets. With a refining capacity of over 1.24 million barrels per day, The refinery complex is a testament to Mukesh Ambani's commitment to scale and innovation. The establishment of the Jamnagar refinery played a pivotal role in significantly enhancing India's refining capacity, reducing the country's dependence on imported petroleum products, and bolstering its energy security. Furthermore, the refinery's advanced technology and operational efficiency have enabled Reliance to produce high-quality refined products, catering to both domestic and international demand. Mukesh Ambani's leadership in steering the expansion of Reliance Industries' refining operations, culminating in the establishment of the Jamnagar refinery, has not only propelled the company to new heights of success, but also contributed to India's economic development and energy self-sufficiency. His strategic foresight and relentless pursuit of excellence continue to shape Reliance's trajectory as a global leader in the petrochemicals and refining sectors. Number 4. Vision for telecommunications. Mukesh Ambani's foresight and strategic vision in recognizing the potential of the telecommunications sector in India have been pivotal in reshaping the country's digital landscape. In 2002, he led Reliance's entry into the telecom industry with the launch of Reliance Infocom, which later rebranded as Reliance Communications. This marked the conglomerate's initial foray into providing telecommunications services, setting the stage for future innovations and disruptions. However, it was Ambani's bold and game-changing move in 2016 with the launch of Reliance Jio Infocom Limited, Jio, that truly revolutionized the Indian telecom market. Jio's entry disrupted the sector by introducing affordable data and voice services, effectively democratizing access to high-speed internet and digital communication for millions of Indians. Leveraging advanced technology and a robust infrastructure, Jio offered unprecedented data tariffs, coupled with free voice calls, which quickly garnered widespread adoption across the country. Jio's disruptive pricing strategy and expansive network coverage rapidly transformed India into the world's largest consumer of mobile data, fueling a digital revolution and spurring innovation across various sectors. The telecom operators' affordable data plans and extensive network infrastructure played a pivotal role in driving internet penetration and digital inclusion, particularly in rural and underserved areas. Mukesh Ambani's strategic leadership and relentless pursuit of innovation positioned Jio as a catalyst for socio-economic development, empowering millions of Indians with access to digital services, e-commerce, online education, and digital payments. Furthermore, Jio's disruptive impact extended beyond telecommunications, influencing market dynamics and prompting competitors to revamp their offerings and business strategies to stay competitive in the evolving landscape. Through Jio, Mukesh Ambani not only transformed Reliance Industries into a dominant player in the telecom industry, but also solidified his reputation as a visionary entrepreneur capable of driving transformative change on a national scale. Jio's unprecedented success underscores Ambani's commitment to leveraging technology for societal progress and cementing India's position as a digital powerhouse on the global stage. Number 3. Retail expansion. Mukesh Ambani's visionary leadership extended beyond telecommunications and petrochemicals into the retail sector, where he orchestrated the transformation of Reliance Retail into a formidable player in the Indian market. With Ambani at the helm, Reliance Retail embarked on a journey of strategic expansion and innovation, leveraging a multi-format approach to cater to diverse consumer needs. Under his stewardship, Reliance Retail rapidly grew to become one of the largest and most successful retail chains in India, boasting a vast network of supermarkets, hypermarkets, fashion outlets, and digital commerce platforms. Ambani's emphasis on strategic acquisitions and partnerships played a crucial role in augmenting Reliance Retail's presence and market share, enabling the conglomerate to tap into new demographics and consumer segments. By integrating cutting-edge technology and leveraging its robust supply chain infrastructure, Reliance Retail, under Ambani's leadership, redefined the retail landscape in India, offering consumers a seamless shopping experience while driving operational efficiency and profitability. Ambani's unwavering commitment to innovation and customer centricity has positioned Reliance Retail as a dominant force in the Indian retail sector, poised for continued growth and expansion under his visionary guidance. Number 2. Investments and diversification. In addition to his leadership role at Reliance Industries, Mukesh Ambani has strategically diversified his investments across various sectors, including technology, media, and entertainment, leveraging his financial acumen to strengthen Reliance's foothold in these industries. Ambani's strategic investments in companies such as Network 18, Halfway Cable, and DDN Networks have significantly bolstered Reliance's presence and influence in the media and entertainment landscape. Through these investments, Reliance has gained access to a diverse portfolio of media assets, including television channels, digital content platforms, and cable distribution networks, further expanding its reach and audience engagement capabilities. Ambani's vision for convergence and synergy across different sectors has propelled Reliance towards becoming a fully integrated player in the media and entertainment ecosystem, with the potential to capitalize on emerging opportunities in the rapidly evolving digital landscape. These strategic investments underscore Ambani's commitment to driving innovation and growth across diverse industries, positioning Reliance as a powerhouse capable of shaping the future of media and entertainment in India and beyond. Number 1. Wealth and power. Mukesh Ambani unparalleled wealth and influence in India's business landscape are indeed a culmination of not just his exceptional business acumen, but also of his strategic networking and relationships. Over the years, Ambani has skillfully cultivated ties with political leaders, government officials, and industry peers. Recognizing the crucial role of these connections in navigating the intricate web of regulatory challenges and securing advantageous deals for his conglomerate, Reliance Industries Limited. Ambani's ability to forge strong relationships with political leaders at various levels has been pivotal in shaping the regulatory environment in which Reliance operates. By establishing rapport with key policymakers, Ambani has been able to effectively communicate the interests and priorities of his business, often influencing policy decisions and regulatory frameworks in favor of Reliance's objectives. Furthermore, Ambani's networking prowess extends beyond the political realm to encompass influential figures within the business community. Through strategic alliances and partnerships with industry peers, Ambani has been able to leverage collective strength and expertise to tackle common challenges and capitalize on emerging opportunities, thereby consolidating Reliance's position as a market leader across diverse sectors. Subscribe now for more exclusive content and updates.